Modern airliners are hybrid machines, smart combinations of aluminum, titanium, and large amounts of carbon fiber composites, engineered to be lighter, stronger, and more fuel efficient than ever. Wide bodies like the A350 and B787 use roughly half their structure by weight in carbon fiber composites, while still relying on aluminum, titanium, and steel where those metals make more sense. By using composites in key areas, fuselage barrels, wing skins, wing boxes, designers get higher stiffness to weight and tailor material direction to loads. That means less structure for the same strength. Replacing metals with composites typically cuts structural weight 15 to 30%, which translates into big fuel and emissions savings across an aircraft's lifetime. Composites give great performance, but introduce new manufacturing variability, inspection needs, and special certification rules. Regulators and manufacturers had to develop new test methods and guidance to prove safety. Composite structures change the maintenance game. Inspections rely more on NDT and localized repair procedures. Repairs are often more specialized, and traceability of manufacturing data becomes critical for life-limit decisions. Engineering history gives us a fast track to safer designs. The rules you teach today are the answers to yesterday's surprises. Redundancy is a safety net. When one element fails, backups keep the airplane alive long enough for a safe outcome. Inspections are the front line. They find small problems before those problems become emergencies. Modern design assumes cracks will form. The job is to predict their growth and stop them with inspections and repairs. Regulations are tight because aircraft must be proven safe under real-life wear, corrosion, manufacturing variability, and unforeseen events. Each accident taught a lesson. Ignoring history is repeating it. Engineers who read the past design safer futures. That brings us to the end of Module 1. In this slide, you will find some of the references used in preparing the content and some additional links and references for further reading.